This yoga nidra will help you to recharge the energy levels of your body. Start by making yourself comfortable as you lay down, and then gently allow your eyes to close, letting a feeling of ease come into the body, allowing the muscles to release as you feel the weight of the body being very gently pulled down by the force of gravity, allowing the body to relax as we lay down. Now bring awareness into the trunk, into the chest and the abdomen. As you tune in, feeling the very subtle movements of your breath here. Allowing it to be effortless and soft. Allowing it just to flow as it is in this moment. No need to change, no need to adapt. Just surrendering the breath into this present moment. Feeling a new influx of energy every time you inhale, and feeling the release of metabolized energy that you don't need anymore as you exhale. Feeling that yin-yang movement of the respiration, continuously balancing out your energy. Now center your focus into the heart space in the middle of the chest. Feeling into the heart space, and then flow awareness into the right shoulder, top of the shoulder, the right upper arm, and elbow, forearm, into the wrist, the whole right hand, and all 5 fingers of the right hand, and flowing up to the right wrist again, right forearm, elbow, upper arm, right shoulder, back into the heart space, and into the left top of the shoulder, upper arm, into the elbow, left forearm and wrist, whole left hand, and all 5 fingers of the left hand, back to the wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, back into the heart, feeling the whole chest, feeling the ribs, feeling the softness of the abdomen, and feeling the navel within this space of the belly. The whole area of the hips, the right groin, front of the right thigh, knee, back of the knee, right lower leg, ankle, heel, sole of the foot, top of the foot, and all 5 toes. Flowing back to the lower leg, knee, thigh, right groin and the whole hip area, left groin, thigh, knee, back of knee, left lower leg, ankle, heel, sole of the foot, top of the foot, all 5 toes, back to the ankle, lower leg, knee, thigh, left groin, whole hip area, the belly, the heart space, the throat, feeling the whole face and into the softness of the lips, lower lip and upper lip, inside of the mouth, the teeth, the tongue, and into the nose, tip of the nose, right nostril and left nostril, in between both eyebrows, third eye space, the whole forehead, crown of the head, back of the head, back of the neck, and the whole spine, feeling right leg and left leg, right arm and left arm, and feeling the whole body at once. The whole body as a whole. Awareness just resting within the body. Allow attention to flow back to the effortless feeling of your breath. In a moment, we'll start to circulate our breath over the body, moving it up over the back as we inhale, and releasing it down over the front of the body as we exhale. Start by bringing your full awareness all the way into the backs of the heels. And when your next inhalation starts, you guide the breath up over the ankles, backs of the legs, the hips, the whole back and neck, back of the head, all the way into the crown of your head. And then as you exhale, let it flow down the front of the face, the chest, belly, hips, legs, all the way down into the backs of your heels again. Keep continuing this cycle to move it up over the back as you inhale, and softening it down over the front as you exhale. Feel how this circulating of breath is really moving the energy over and around the body. So with every cycle of breath, notice how that enhances the potential energy within and around your body. Really amplifying that energy field with every cycle. Cycling the breath over the body as you allow your energy system to be recharged, replenished. Now gently let go of that breath exploration and simply feel into your body as you rest here, allowing the body to recharge in that energy field you created. While keeping awareness within the body, start to see or feel a beautiful big golden sun a few meters above your body, beaming bright, a beautiful big golden sun, radiating warmth, radiating light. And from that sun, feel how a beautiful light beam travels down all the way towards your third eye space in between your eyebrows. As you feel the potential energy of that sun enter into the body through that point of the third eye space, letting that beam of light permeate into you. A second light beam gently travels down all the way into your heart space. Feel how that starts to energize your heart space as the energy enters into your heart from that beautiful, warm, golden sun. And feel how a third, last beam of light travels down into your lower belly, letting that light enter you through the lower belly as you are being energized by that sun, by the potential of that beautiful beaming light into those three places within your body: the third eye, the heart space, and the lower belly. Letting that divine golden bright light fill you up, replenish your energy, energize you completely, lighting you up from the inside out, bathing in this beautiful divine bright light. Slowly start to feel the weight of your body down on the ground again. As you feel your breath again, and gently allow your breath to deepen a few rounds before you slowly start to bring some movement back in fingers and toes, becoming aware again of your body laying down. And very slowly from here, rolling over to the right side of your body as you allow your eyes to open. If you have enjoyed this practice, please feel free to subscribe. And I wish you a beautiful continuation of your day. Thank you.